Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, yesterday we have discussed about the key feature of Indian Constitution. There are five major key feature of Indian Constitution. Yesterday we discussed first three key feature of Indian Constitution, that is federalism, parliamentary form of government, and separation of power. Now today in this session we discuss the fundamental right and secularism. Let us start the fundamental right. You know what is fundamental right? Fundamental right is the basic right which a person or a citizen get in a country to live a better life. The to have a life of dignity. Our constitution has also provided certain fundamental right to the citizen of India. Now, right to equality. There are six fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution. Number one, right to equality. Number two, right to freedom. Number three, right to against exploitation. Number four, right to freedom of religion. Number fifth, cultural and educational right. Number six, right to constitutional remedies. Here, all the citizens of India are equal. Everybody will be treated equally. Equality is the most important fundamental right of Indian Constitution. So everybody living in India are treated equally by the government. Everybody has equal right to have better education, better housing, to have a better dignity. This shows the first fundamental right under Indian Constitution. Now second one is fundamental right given by our Constitution, right to freedom. Right to freedom. We also free to have a better life, to live a better life, to reside anywhere in the country. We have the freedom of speech and expression. We have the freedom of adopt any religion. We have the freedom to adopt any occupation. We have the freedom to adopt any language. The third one, right to against exploitation. The third important provide to us fundamental right is right against exploitation. You know what is exploitation? Exploitation mean ill treatment to given to any person, not treated the person equally is called exploitation. Exploitation mean You know what is exploitation? Exploitation mean ill treatment given to any person and not treated the person equally is called exploitation. So our constitution has given us right against exploitation. How the best example, a child below the 14 years will not work. Why? Because that is the age of study. The next, fourth one, fundamental right is the right to religion. Right to religion. India is a country where we have number of religion where the people are adopt any religion to adopt any culture and change the religion and the person change one's religion and adopt other religion that is also possible living in India that come to under the right to freedom of religion. The number fourth is fundamental right is our cultural and educational right. India cultural and educational right. India is a country which the which having diversity. So the people living in India has the right to adopt their own cultural celebrate their own festival and at the same time they have the educational right. If anybody want to education, no anybody stop them because the right given by us by the Constitution of India, because we are living in the democratic country, we the people of India have the right to education. Number fifth one, sixth one, right to constitutional remedies. The last one, fundamental right given to us by our constitution, right to right to constitutional remedies. This right is the supporter of these below five right. If any person not getting any of this right, then that person go to the court. It will be the responsibility of the court to provide that person all these fundamental rights. These are the six fundamental rights of under Indian Constitution. Now, the last key feature of Indian Constitution is secularism. The secularism the fifth key feature of Indian Constitution is secularism. You know, India is a secularism country. Why India is a secularism country? Because in India we have diversity of religion and to provide each religion equal respect is come this under this constitution. When a country provide equal respect to the people to various religion, that country is strongest secularism country. That phenomena is as secularism. Now we have covered all the five key features of Indian Constitution, and today now we have covered five key features of Indian Constitution. Thank you.